Ah, I don't know, iba-iba yung tingin nila. So, I think for me, ah, fall para sa akin kasi yung nakita ko yung replay. Pero, yun nga, hindi naman, baka hindi clear lane sa referee. So, iba-iba yung nakikita. So, badly, wala na akong challenge. Pwede sa
25 point lead, 26 point. Pinakawalan.
Yun nga, alam namin na talagang pe-pressure yung Magnolia sa second half. Bad thing na talagang nakakabalik sila. But I think we're gonna learn from this. That's it, PBA talagang lahat ng teams very tough. So kailangan maging ready sa lahat ng teams and every game.
Scott, kamusta yung atmosphere sa locker room as soon as that buzzer ended? Paano yung naging reaction ni
Well, of
Coach?
course, down kami, no? But early pa sa season namin. So, again, yun nga, sabi ko, I think, good thing na nangyari din sa amin ito ngayon. Especially, alam natin coming sa playoffs or bigger picture. Babalikan namin itong game na to. Matututo kami this coming PBA. Especially with the new group, no? Sa amin sa teams.
Scott, anong thoughts mo dun sa performance ni Magnolia Import Tyler Bay? Say he became the anchor pagdating ng fourth quarter for Magnolia.
Yeah, sobrang sipag. Hindi namin na-match yung kasipagan niya sa second half. And, I think is a winner talaga. Yun kaya nakabalik din sila talaga.